the whole 7-Eleven saga, which of course kicked off with that Four Corners investigation jointly with Fairfax. We've now seen as Herald has gone with this morning, 7-Eleven kills the independent wage panel. Alan Fels having been brought in to bring some fairness to the process. All of these kind of underpaid workers, back claims, estimates.
Struck's been here for 10 minutes.
Paid maybe 10 or 12 million paid out so far, and it looks like the rules of the
It's in the middle of the road.
Changed Maiden Turnbull under the new chief executive of 7-Eleven. He's clearly furious, clearly suggesting that the whole thing was perhaps a PR attempt to head off, other kind of actions. If it was a PR campaign, then obviously it's backfired very badly for 7-Eleven. Just looking on social media, sort of overnight as this one began to break, there's talk of boycotts again and all sorts of things. So it's coming back into the headlines again.
Yes, because the thing about the 7-Eleven campaign is that or the 7-Eleven revelations, I should say, was so endemic. It wasn't just one particular store, but the fact that it was happening across the franchises, and that was why the independent panel was set up.
It was absolutely, there was